The NorthStar belt-driven generator head is an impressive piece of machinery that stands out in the competitive world of portable generators. With a power output of 10,000 surge watts and 9,600 rated watts, this generator head is engineered to meet the demands of both residential and commercial users. It is particularly useful for those looking for reliable backup power during outages or for use in remote locations where electricity is not readily available. One of the standout features of the NorthStar generator head is its robust construction. It is designed with a heavy-duty, cast-iron frame that contributes to its durability and longevity. This is particularly important for users who expect their equipment to withstand the rigors of outdoor use or frequent transportation. The generator head's design also includes a protective powder coat finish that helps prevent rust and corrosion, making it suitable for various environmental conditions. The performance of the NorthStar generator head is impressive. With 10,000 surge watts, it can handle substantial electrical loads, making it capable of powering multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you need to run power tools at a job site, keep your refrigerator running during a blackout, or provide energy for a recreational vehicle, this generator head delivers. The 9,600 rated watts ensure that even with continuous use, the generator operates efficiently without compromising on performance. Another key aspect of the NorthStar generator head is its belt-driven design. This feature is a significant advantage over direct-drive generators, as it reduces engine load, resulting in quieter operation and less wear on components. Users will appreciate the lower noise level, especially in situations where noise can be a concern, such as camping trips or residential neighborhoods. Additionally, the belt-driven system enhances fuel efficiency, allowing for longer run times between refuels, a critical factor for those who rely on generators for extended periods. The generator head is compatible with various engine types, providing versatility for users who may already own an engine or need to select one based on their specific requirements. This adaptability means that users can choose an engine that best suits their needs, whether it be a gas or propane-powered engine, further extending the utility of the generator head. Ease of use is another highlight of the NorthStar generator head. The unit comes with a detailed instruction manual, which simplifies the setup process, even for those who may not be particularly tech-savvy. The generator head is designed for straightforward installation, and once in place, it can be ready to go in a matter of minutes. Additionally, the control panel is intuitively laid out, making it easy to monitor output and manage connections. Safety is a crucial feature of any generator, and the NorthStar generator head does not disappoint in this regard. It comes with built-in circuit breakers that prevent overloads, protecting both the generator and the connected devices. The design includes a low-oil shutdown feature that automatically turns off the engine if oil levels become dangerously low, further enhancing safety and reducing the risk of damage. On the downside, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the NorthStar generator head is relatively portable, its weight can be a limiting factor for some users. Weighing in at over 200 pounds, it may require 2 people to lift and transport, especially if you plan to move it frequently. Additionally, while the belt-driven design does offer various advantages, maintenance may be slightly more involved than with simpler models. Users will need to regularly check the belt tension and condition to ensure optimal performance. In terms of pricing, the NorthStar belt-driven generator head is positioned in the mid to high range of the market. However, considering the performance, durability, and versatility it offers, many users find it to be a worthwhile investment, particularly for those who require reliable power in demanding scenarios. Overall, the NorthStar belt-driven generator head impresses with its powerful performance, sturdy construction, and user-friendly features. It is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a dependable generator for home use, construction sites, or recreational activities. With its efficient operation and thoughtful design, this generator head is built to last and provide power when you need it most.